This demonstration will give an overview of how number sequences can be formatted in Microsoft Dynamics AX 2009. Microsoft Dynamics AX allows the user to control how everything is numbered throughout the system. The numbers are controlled by the number sequences. What is a number sequence? A number sequence is an alphanumeric identifier used to track transactions, documents, and records in Microsoft Dynamics AX. It is used to number all of the master files, such as customers, vendors, and items, as well as orders, invoices, and vouchers. The number can be manually created or sequentially assigned by the system. If numbers are automatically assigned, the number sequence is used to determine the number of digits, the starting number, and any special formatting that is required. If numbers are manually assigned, any characters can be entered up to the defined length of the field. In this example, the customer numbers have been automatically assigned and are sequential and consistent. When numbering customers and vendors, consistency is important to avoid duplicate records and facilitate data entry. The best way to explain number sequences is to show examples of how they can be used. Inventory items are typically manual numbers. When using manual numbers, the length does not have to be the same, but it is recommended to use the same so that inquiries and reports will sort properly. The length can be different for each number, but try to be consistent. Here, we see an example of why you should be consistent. Notice how the televisions and speakers have been sorted. Speakers 1100 appear after televisions 1000. With the televisions and speakers, a useful format has been applied. For example, LCD, plasma, and CRT televisions are sorted in order within the television item numbers. Most of the number sequences in Microsoft Dynamics AX will be automatically assigned using a sequential number. Using a user-friendly prefix will make it easy to determine the purpose of the number. In this example, purchase order numbers were numbered using the default number sequence. However, the number sequence format could be edited with a user-identified prefix of PO, followed by the sequential number. This would make it easier to identify the fact that this number represents a purchase order. A prefix or suffix can be created for each number sequence. It can contain letters, numbers, or characters, or a sequential number can be assigned without any prefix or suffix. The number sequences in Microsoft Dynamics AX are extremely important for identifying transactions throughout the system. Review the types of number sequences used in your current system. How are customers, vendors, and items numbered? How are orders, invoices, transactions, and vouchers numbered? Are they descriptive enough to identify a transaction? Are there enough digits? Are there too many digits? How easy is data entry? Moving to a new software system is a great time to reorganize. Be sure to take advantage of the flexibility of Microsoft Dynamics AX, which allows the company to customize the system setup to meet the needs of your company. Please review the number sequences setup demonstration to review how to create number sequences.